Thank you for tuning in to Lockey USA videos. This video will share information on our M210 deadbolt. The M210 is a mechanical push-button combination deadbolt lock that fits applications an 1.1 to 2 inches thick, with an adjustable backset of 2 3/8 of an inch to 2 3/4. The M210 also comes with easy plates that allow the lock to mount to a door with a 2 1/8 inch deadbolt prep without drilling any holes. If there isn't a deadbolt prep on the door, rubber trim plates are included. Only one user code can be used at a time, but there is thousands of possible combinations. The M210 commonly mounts on residential doors, gates, trailers, and sheds. The code in this example is 3567. Simply turn the thumb turn away from the hinges to lock the door. Enter the code and turn the thumb turn toward the hinges to unlock it. If you incorrectly enter the code when trying to unlock the M210, you will need to clear the pins. To do so, turn the thumb turn away from the hinges and you will hear the pins reset. The M210 is available in a single combination with a keypad on the outside and free access on the inside. The M210 is also available in a double combination with a keypad on both sides, which will require a code to enter and exit. The double combination is often chosen for gate applications to prevent people from reaching through the gate to unlock it. The GB200M steel or aluminum gate boxes can be welded into gates to help mount the M210 and are sold separately. Extension kits can be purchased separately as well to allow the M210 to mount on applications from 2 to 5 inches thick. The M210 is available in 9 different finishes listed below. In order to install the M210 deadbolt lock, follow the M210 instruction document and watch the installation video. To download the instruction document and to watch the installation video, visit www.LockeyUSA.com/product/M210. In order to change the code, the lock must be taken off the door. Once the lock is off the door, follow the M210 instruction document and watch the How to Change Code video. To download the instruction document and to watch the How to Change Code video, visit www.LockeyUSA.com/product/M210. For more information, visit www.LockeyUSA.com or call Lockey USA Technical Support at 888-395-0163.